Hey guys, it's me, Carline. Today is, what is today? Today is Thursday, May 20th, 2021. It is 6:27 a.m. I'm out about an hour earlier than I normally am for my run because I wanted to do something different today. I'm dealing with a lot of things that are kind of out of my control, and prayer is definitely helping, but I wanted to do something that was within my control, and that's running. So I thought today is the day I'm going to just go for it. I'm going to go for it so I break my record. The fastest I've ever run, not fastest because I'm not that fast, but the farthest I've ever run has been a 10K, so 6.2 miles. It takes me about an hour and 15 minutes to get it done. So like I said, it's almost 6:30 this morning. I'm giving myself a full 2 hours. I blocked off 2 hours of my schedule this morning to say, just run, Carline, just run. And so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to put on my Audible, finish off my Michelle Obama book if I have to. I got my cousin Sandy on standby. She knows she's going to call me and talk to me because for some reason, when I'm talking, I can run and I don't even think about it. It's crazy. I can run the fastest, the longest if I'm talking to somebody. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this next time, next 2 hours to see how far I can go. My goal is to break my 6.2 miles, break my 10K. Anything above that is successful to me, all right? But I want to see how far I can go. Just want to burn off this energy, burn off this stress, and just see what happens. So I'm going to take you with me on this journey. So I'm about to start in about 30 seconds. I will touch base with you, possibly, in between, and I will give you the final update or the final results of this venture. All right, you gonna go with me on this? Okay. All right, I am going to start now. Okay, so I am now 1 hour into my run, 5 miles, about 12-minute pace. Not that fast, but hey, I'm not going for speed. I'm going for just getting it done, right? And I feel good. So I've done 5 miles. I do 5 miles all the time. Not a big deal. Again, my record is the 6.2 miles for a 10K. So I feel good. I finished about a half an hour of Michelle Obama's Becoming. I'm on chapter 20. It's going really good, but my cousin Sandy called. And so we've been talking ever since, loving that. So I think I'm just going to keep going. I got to get, so I officially have started at 6:29 a.m. And like I said, I'm an hour into it now at 5 miles. I will let you know how far. Roar. Okay. Oh my gosh, I am down to the wire. 10 miles. Woo! Woo! To the woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, that was 2 hours, I think 1 minute and 58 seconds. Average pace, 12 minutes and 9 seconds. Hey, I'm thrilled. Burned like 1,178 calories. I've never, ever done more than 10K. And now I did 10 miles. Woo! Woo! I'm so tired. But you know what? I gotta thank, first of all, Michelle Obama's Becoming book for the first 30 minutes of this ride. That got me going. And then my cousin Sandy Ferguson called me up and she talked with me for the other hour and 30 plus minutes. So thank you very much. It got to where a couple times I felt tired, but it was like, you know what? This is within your control. You can do it. You can do it. So my message today, you know, I talk about copywriting all the time. I talk about getting a control. Control means you own it. And that's true in copywriting, but also in life. Just go after the things within your control. When things feel kind of crazy, just, you know, out of your reach or whatever, let the stuff that's out of there, let it go. Pray, get the endurance that you need, the strength, inner strength that you need, but then just go after what is within your control. Because you do that, you're going to feel better, you're going to feel empowered, and you're going to fill up your pitcher, and your pitcher gets full, and then you can pour it out to all of the other little cups in your life that need you right now. So right now, my pitcher is full. This was awesome. I'm so glad I documented this. I don't know if I'm gonna ever do it again, but I know I can. I know I can do it. I'm tired, but I'm not exhausted. My brain feels clear. I just feel like I've got this renewed energy and confidence that, you know, it's gonna be okay. Gonna go and do it. So you go out there and you go after what's within your control and you kick butt. See ya.